how to download YouTube videos to phone. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to download YouTube video to your mobile phone. Now open the YouTube app. After you open the YouTube app, now go ahead and find the video you want to download. Let's say I want to download this video. After you find the video, you open the video like this now. Now you can swipe to left, right like this. So now here is the download button. So just tap on this download button. So after you tap on this download button, now you should download your video. So from there, if you want to see your downloads, all you have to do now, you can tap on this option. So you can tap on this home. After you come to your profile, if you want to see the downloaded video, so from this profile, you can swipe to down. After you scroll to down, you can tap on this download button. So as you can see now, here is the video that I just downloaded. Now if I open the video like this, now I can be able now to play the video by turning off my now I turn off my internet connection, and I can be able now to play the video. So you can be able to watch this video for 30 days. YouTube allows you to use the video without internet connection. That's it guys on how to download YouTube video to phone.